Good morning, guys. This is a presentation for Professor Barkeshli for Computer Science 3A in Pasadena City College for spring 2013. Today I'm going to present my final project, which is an ecosystem. Basically we have several classes and the creatures, and let them have some rules for the creatures, and then moving around, eating around, and and show it on the OpenGL. And basically first we need to create as you can see here for the grid cars, which the basic member is just a dimensional creature pointer space, max times max. Here I use max equals to 40. We can change to any number as we want. And then I have some classes like the creature called hunter, poison, and then prey and frog. I have the parent class called creature, and because of that, those frog, hunter, poison, and prey creature are the child class for the creature class. And then here's the creature class, the header file, and as you can see, there's a constructor, and then the virtual function, which because it's a parent class, and then some bool value, have moved, have breed, left, right, up, down, and then staff count and breed count, and and each creature's coordinate x and y, and their face. I use a child character, and the baby count and the alive count, and for their child class, just use the same the constructor, and then the move, eat, died, and breed, and bool value function. So the rule for this case is kind of simple. The hunter is the prey, and the frog and the poison is the hunter. So if I show it on the OpenGL, that will look like that. As you can see, the blue dot indicates the prey, the prey creature, and the red dot indicates the hunter creature, and those green and white stuff, they are just poison and frog. Because I set the rule, frog and poison are the highest among the ecosystem, so I just let them do not breed or die. It's because of that. Otherwise it will maybe at some point the hunter will die or something like that. So it runs forever. We like that. Because I use a bool value, which is always a true, and then a while loop, and display this all the time. And there's one more function. If I click particularly the screen, and then it will temporarily pause the screen, and then if I click some of the creature, it will show up the information of that creature, what type is that, and how many turns has been alive. It has how many babies so far, and is it ready to breed or not, something like that. So those information, as you can see here. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my final project presentation. At the end of it, I would like to thank you, my professor Barkeshli, again, because he's so talented, and I learned a lot from his class. And his class is also so impressive for me. And thank you so much, Mr. Barkeshli. So yeah, I think that's it. So thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.